Hi guys! Today we are learning how to use Google Maps offline. First, unlock your phone and open the Google Maps app. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account before continuing. Once Google Maps is open, tap your profile picture in the top right corner. This will open a menu with different account and map settings. Here, you can access features related to navigation and downloaded maps. Take a moment to look through the available options. Now, find and tap the Offline Maps option from the menu. This section allows you to save map areas directly to your device. Downloaded maps can be used even when you don't have internet access. It's a great feature for road trips and remote locations. After that, tap Select your own map near the bottom of the screen. A blue square box will appear on the map. This box lets you choose the exact area you want to download. You can move and resize it to cover your preferred location. Now, adjust the blue square to include the area you want available offline. Try to cover all the places you may need to visit. The larger the area, the more storage space it may require. Make sure the entire region is visible inside the box. Once your area is selected, tap the download button at the bottom right. Google Maps will begin saving that area to your phone. Wait for the download process to finish completely. After downloading, the map will be stored for offline use. Whenever you don't have internet access, open Google Maps as usual. Search for places within the area you downloaded earlier. Google Maps will automatically use the offline map data. This helps you continue navigating even without a connection. And that's how you can easily use Google Maps offline step by step. Downloaded maps can help you navigate even when there's no internet available. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.